Welcome to ABX Engineering, your leader in contract manufacturing. With today's high board densities, fine pitch surface mount devices, application of post-solder, conformal coating, and other processes, the requirements for accurate contamination control testing post-soldering and cleaning is critical. ABX utilizes the Zero Ion Ionic Contamination Tester. Ionic contamination testers are designed and implemented to determine and monitor the cleanliness of assemblies. Resuscitivity of solvent extract testing is utilized to ensure that the cleaning processes utilized by ABX remain within tolerance of IPC and MIL specifications. The Zero Ion G3 Ionic Contamination Tester meets industrial cleanliness specifications as called out by IPC and MIL specs through the use of dynamic measurement technology. The unit's system-based control provides an intuitive interface which captures all relevant testing data. The system automatically calculates the sodium chloride equivalents whereby all of the soluble contamination can be extracted and measured. To learn more about our SMT capabilities, cleaning processes, the Zero Ion Ionic Contamination testing capabilities, or any other questions regarding ABX, please contact us at sales@abxengineering.com.